On course now, I believe it's number 168, Mickey Cookfire by Steve Hyde. The first bench. Darby Long. Now forward the finish line for Lillian Hill. He's making just ahead of the finish line. The Palisades doing 10 a.m.
127 mark, that's 127.
19 seconds on the 2 and 4. There's 24 on the 5. This will be 23, 2,300.
.128 mark, that's 128.
Stephen Bradley riding for Dazzle. Stephen coming from Leesburg, Virginia. Dazzle, a 9-year-old thoroughbred owned by Charlotte Harris. Nice jump over fence 4 by Stephen. Now coming up to fence 5A and B, the half coffin. And clear through the water goes number 140, 128, Mickey Cookfire and Beehive. Mickey going up to the 14th or over the 14th yard line. Castle Road with Bedford Monkey right now. Hillmore Games. Down the other side.
139 mark, that's 139.
Currently in 18th place onto the dressage and cross country.